I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, how does you, Greg, and the whole Nonstop Automation team know how and when to send information from Housecall Pro, ServiceTitan, Jobber, Salesforce, Improveit 360, MarketSharp? Well, I'm glad you asked. How the API works. So right here, you've got your project management software. You have over here our platform. What happens is when something changes in Housecall Pro, let's say you updating an existing contact or creating a new contact, a webhook is going to be triggered. That is going to fire off the API, which is then going to connect to our server, which has the database storing all of the contact info, and it is going to update that contact in the database, which is stored on the server. And because the webhook says send this all the way to the other system, the API is going to continue now, and it is going to send it to our platform. It's either going to create a new contact if the contact didn't exist in our platform. It's going to update an existing contact if that contact needs to be updated. If we need to basically retrieve any sort of contact details, we'll use a GET request. That is how all of this is getting here. What happens now when the AI books an appointment in our platform? How does it get to your platform? Well, something's going to happen. The webhook is triggered because a new appointment has been created. Now it's going to basically fire off the API, which is going to update the database, which is on our server, and it's now going to find the contact record of Joe Smith, let's say, who now has an appointment. It's going to find Joe Smith by email or phone number. It is then going to create the job and add the appointment in that contact record, and it's then going to send all this information to Housecall Pro. We've developed all this code. It took us 1,000,000 years, and by 1,000,000 years, I mean roughly like a year. Just wanted to show you how the API works. This is confusing, and hopefully it was a little bit less confusing the way I just explained it. So enjoy that. I've never asked people to subscribe, so I'm not going to start. Okay, later.